ग्रुप बी वाले स्टूडेंट हैं यहाँ पे?
यस सर।
यस सर।
रोल नंबर बताइए, कहाँ से 51 टू 100 सारे लोग आ गए? हाँ 51 तो सही है। ठीक। हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग। हेलो,
यस सर, गुड मॉर्निंग।
आवाज आ रही है आप लोग? हाँ, सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द पेरिफेरल ब्लड स्मीयर। ठीक है, हेलो, आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को? एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द पेरिफेरल ब्लड स्मीयर। ठीक है, so apparatus we use are we use 3 to 4 clean glass slides.
वो तो बताओ, ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा, तो परेशान मत हो।
अच्छा,
आ रहा है,
आ रहा है ना?
दिख रहा है स्लाइड।
आप लोगों को स्लाइड्स दिख रही हैं?
नहीं, यहाँ पे रखो ना, ऐसा रखो।
हेलो, आप लोगों को स्लाइड्स दिख रही हैं?
यस सर।
अच्छा, ठीक है। So apparatus we use 2 to 4 clean glass slides. Glass slides should be clean, and we should have pricking apparatus like lancet or a plain needle. ठीक है? And a compound microscope and cedarwood oil or sandalwood oil and Leishman stain. Leishman stain will be used for staining the peripheral blood smear. ठीक है? Apparatus we use are 3 to 4 clean glass slides, pricking apparatus like lancets, compound microscope, sandalwood oil and Leishman stain. This is Leishman stain. दिख रहा है आप लोगों को?
Yes,
हेलो,
sir.
ठीक, good. Now the preparation of the blood film. Blood films can be made from anticoagulated or finger prick blood. Okay, we have to prick the finger. हम लैब में क्या करते हैं? Usually we prick the fingers. We prick this ring finger and middle finger. Okay, we spare little finger, index finger and thumb because इसका इन्फेक्शन हो गया इसका लिटिल फिंगर, इंडेक्स फिंगर और थंब का, द इन्फेक्शन विल स्प्रेड टू द पामर फेशिया और आम तक इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा। देयरफॉर वी यूज दिस रिंग फिंगर एंड मिडिल फिंगर। आपको प्रिक कैसे करना है? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू क्लीन द फिंगर विद स्पिरिट। दिस इज स्पिरिट। ओके, take the spirit with the cotton swab and apply it over the finger, ring finger or middle finger. Steady press over the finger, apply it. After applying आपको क्या करना है? इसको leave it for 1 minute, इससे ये ड्राई हो जाएगी। क्यों छोड़ना है इसको ड्राई होने के लिए? अगर आपने प्रिक कर दिया, इसको ड्राई नहीं हुआ ये स्पिरिट, तो ब्लड विल हिमोलाइज, जो ब्लड निकलेगा फिंगर से वो हिमोलाइज हो जाएगा स्पिरिट की वजह से। इसलिए यू हैव टू लीव इट फॉर 1 मिनट, तो ड्राई हो जाएगी, फिर आपको प्रिक करना है। ठीक है, हेलो,
यस सर।
हाँ, ये प्रोसीजर देखिए। प्रोसीजर क्या है? टेक 3 to 4 clean glass slides, the surface of which should be even and smooth, and place it on your work table. ये आपको टेबल पर रखना है। 2 ग्लास स्लाइड ले लिए आपने, क्लीन किया उसको टैप वाटर से, देन ड्राई किया आपको किसी भी हैंड कर्चीफ या किसी फाइन क्लॉथ से ड्राई करना है आपको। देन प्लेस इट देम ओवर द टेबल, ये हार्ड सरफेस के ऊपर। Prick your finger and allow a medium-sized drop of blood to form on the fingertip. Okay, after applying the spirit, तो spirit जब सूख जाए उसके बाद Lift a slide from the table, hold it along its long edges. ऐसे आपको पकड़ना है, like this. Then touch its center about 1 centimeter from the narrow end to the blood drop. जैसे आपने इसको पकड़ा, ठीक है, अब पिक किया यहाँ पे, जो ब्लड ड्रॉप आएगी आपको 1 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द एज, यहाँ पे आपको उसको रख देना है ड्रॉप को, ऐसे, ठीक है। ऐसे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे रखना है आपको। यू हैव टू मेक 3 to 4 स्लाइड्स सेम, ठीक है। Now grasp the long edges of second slide and the spreader. First slide is the slide on which you have put the blood drop. The second is the spreader. This is a spreader. You have to spread the blood over the slide. The margin of spreader should be smooth. क्या हुआ? Read कर दूँ। Now grasp the long edges of second slide, the spreader, between the thumb and the finger of your right hand. Okay. Place the narrow edge of the spreader on the first slide. फर्स्ट स्लाइड इस पे आपने ड्रॉप रखा था, और सेकंड में आपको स्प्रेड रखना है, उस पे ब्लड ड्रॉप आपको रखना है एज से 1 सेंटीमीटर अबव आगे रखना है, ठीक है। अब प्लेस द स्प्रेडर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द ब्लड ड्रॉप, और उसको आपको पीछे ले जाना है हल्का सा। देन इससे क्या होगा, ब्लड ड्रॉप विल यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ओवर द स्लाइड। ब्लड ड्रॉप विल यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ओवर द स्लाइड, ठीक है। देन जेंटल वे में आपको एक ही बार में फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में आपको आगे वो करना है, इसको स्प्रेड करना है। फर्स्ट ड्रॉप रखी हुई यहाँ पे जैसे आपने स्प्रेडर रखा, उसके आगे पीछे लेके आएंगे, यूनिफॉर्मली स्प्रेड हो जाएगा, देन स्प्रेड कर देंगे, ठीक है। Place the narrow edge of the spreader on the first slide at an angle of 40 degree or 45 degree, just in front of the blood drop. Pull the spreader back gently so that it touches the front of the blood drop. Hold it there, or move it a little from side to side till the blood moving along the junction of the two, thus distributing the blood evenly across its width. ठीक है। Steady the first slide with the left hand and maintaining a light but even pressure at 40-degree angle. Move the spreader forward to the left in a single smooth, fairly fast gliding motion, pulling the blood behind it in the form of a thin smear. First, here you have put the blood drop 1 centimeter from the margin. Then this is the spreader. Spreader को आप पीछे लेके आएंगे. Here the blood is uniformly distributed along the margin of the spreader. ठीक है? Make as many tries as possible to get acceptable film. Keep in mind the feature of an ideal blood smear as described below. We will discuss about the ideal blood film in the next slide. Dry the film by moving the slide in the air. Do not try to float dry the film. You will just dry the slide in front of pan or simply by blowing like this. Okay? ऐसे रखना है इसको, ऐसे दिखाना। This is how we prick the finger. Then put the blood drop on over the slide, and with the help of this spreader, make the blood film. फीचर क्या होता है आइडियल फिल्म के? दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड विल बी आस्क्ड इन द वाइवा, और पूछा जाता है वाइवा वगैरह में, ठीक है। फीचर्स क्या होते हैं? हेलो, हाँ, the blood film should occupy the middle 2/3 or about 5 centimeter of the slide with a clear margin of about 2 mm on either side. Okay, it should be tongue shaped, broad at the head end and tapered towards the other end, but without any tails. It should be translucent, uniformly thick throughout, with no vacant areas, striations or granular areas. Okay, ये आपको याद रखना है। It should be neither very thick nor very thin. ठीक है। This is the देखो, this is the slide. Slightly pinkish shaped है. This is the head end. This is the tail end. This is broader. This is slightly narrower. It should cover the 5 centimeter of the slide or 2/3 of the slide. Okay. No striation, no granular areas are seen over this. Now, stitching and staining of the blood. Stitching कैसे करेंगे? बनाएंगे कैसे? तो आपने साइड से आपने ब्लड ड्रॉप लिया, उसको स्प्रेड कर दिया, ठीक है। आपने इसको ड्राई कर लिया, देन उसके बाद क्या होगा? Fixation is the process that makes the blood film and its cell adhere to the glass slide. It also preserves the shape and chemistry of blood cells as near living cell as possible. Okay. Staining is the process that stains, colors the nuclei and cytoplasm of the cell. But these purposes are achieved by the Leishman's stain. This is the Leishman stain. With the help of this, we will stain the slide. Okay. Then about the Leishman stain composition. Leishman stain क्या है? It contains a compound diisocyanate of methylene blue dissolved in acetone-free methyl alcohol. Now the question is why acetone-free? Because acetone will molasses the RBC. Therefore, it is acetone-free methyl alcohol. The first component is eosin. It is an acidic dye, negatively charged and stains the basic, that is, a positive particles, granules of eosinophils and RBCs a pink color. Okay, it will stain the RBC in pink color. The methylene blue it is a basic dye, positively charged and stains acidic, the negatively charged granules in the cytoplasm. It is a nuclei of leukocytes, especially the granules of the basophils, a blue-violet color. Eosin will stain in slightly pink color and methylene blue will stain in blue-violet color. Okay, eosin will stain the granules of eosinophil and RBCs. Methylene blue will stain the nuclei of leukocytes, granules in the cytoplasm, the granules of basophils. Okay. Now acetone. Acetone free and water free absolute methyl alcohol. The methyl alcohol is a fixative and must be free from the acetone and water. It serves two functions. It fixes the blood smear to the glass slide. The alcohol precipitates the plasma protein, which then acts as a glue, which attaches the blood vessels to the slide so that they are not washed away during the staining. The alcohol preserves the morphology and chemical status of the cell. This is the function of the acetone-free methyl alcohol. The alcohol must be free from acetone because acetone, being a very strong lipid solvent, it present cause granulation, shrinkage, or even destruction of the cell membrane. This will make the identification of the cell difficult. So the methyl alcohol should be acetone free. The procedure of fixing and staining. Pour Leishman stain on slide enough to cover the smear. After making the smear, okay, broad end here, tail end here, you have to cover with Leishman stain. There's a Leishman stain, pour it over to completely cover the slide and leave it for about 2 minutes. Okay, now add few drops of buffer solution. After 2 minutes, add 2 drops of buffer solution, mix the stain and buffer slowly by gently blowing over intermittently. After pouring the first Leishman stain, then after 2 minutes, you have to pour the buffer solution. Now mix it gently by blowing. इस तरह से आपको ब्लो करना है कि जो भी स्टेन है वो बाहर ना निकले, स्लाइड से बाहर ना जाए. ठीक है. Now leave it after adding this buffer solution, leave it for 10 minutes. First you have to add the Leishman stain, leave it for 2 minutes. Then after 2 minutes you have to add the buffer solution. Then leave the solution for 10 minutes. Okay. After 10 minutes you have to wash the slide tab with the tabs, water gently till the film has pinkish stains. And now you have to pick it like this. आपको ऐसे पकड़ना है स्लाइड को जेंटली. टैप वाटर है, डायरेक्टली इसके ऊपर रन नहीं करेगा वाटर, स्लाइड के ऊपर फिंगर्स के ऊपर जाएगा, देन जेंटली स्लाइड के ऊपर आएगा. ठीक है. अदरवाइज स्लाइड विल बी वॉश्ड अवे. जो अभी आपने स्लाइड बनाई है वो वॉश हो सकती है. The slide, the film has a pinkish tinge. Pinkish tinge है तो it is normal slide. Assessment of stained blood smear. Now you have to assess this that you have made. Take an assessment of all the blood films. Examine with naked eye first, and then under low and high magnification. Choose the best stain film for cell counting. The slide you have made the best will be used for counting the cell. Make sure that you can identify all the cells with the certainty. You have to pick up the best slide. You have to make 3 to 4 slides, and among them you have to pick the best one. Ensure that you are examining the blood smear side of the slide. Hold the slide in bright light and tilt it in this way, and that to see if there are any reflection. The clean slide will show reflection. If it is clean, nothing is there. While the slide which has the blood smear appears dull and does not show any reflection. This is a method of testing the slide. If there is staining or not. Okay. You may also scratch the margin of the smear with a pin. ठीक है. आपको टेस्ट करना है, पिन लेके जस्ट स्क्रैच द मार्जिन. वो आइडिया हो जाएगा स्लाइड है इस तरफ की साइड है इस तरफ की साइड। ठीक है, thickness being uniform throughout. It is assumed that an ideal blood film has been strained. Then you have to examine it under the first 10x, then 40x. 40x में आपको जनरली सारे ब्लड सेल्स दिख जाते हैं, ठीक है। Now, if you want to examine, you can examine it under 100x. The red cell appear as dot uniformly spread out in a single layer. ठीक है। First you have to examine it under 10x, then 40x. Under 40x, all the blood cell you will appreciate. And then if you want to identify under 100x, you can use it. ठीक है। This, all these pinkish dots are RBCs, and these bluish dots are WBCs. And under 40x or 100x, you will see like this. All this is are RBCs, pinkish, round shaped. Okay, and these are WBCs. This is neutrophil. Okay, this is monocyte. Sorry, this is lymphocyte. This is monocyte. Kidney shaped nucleus is there. This is monocyte. Okay, this is normal slide. Now, slide is showing the some abnormal slides. Look, in the slide there are lots of striations. Margins देखो, margins इसकी नहीं है, tongue shape नहीं है. Abnormal margin is there. Okay. Now look this slide. There gap. This is not uniformly distributed. This slide is too small, and this is very small slide. Okay. This is not tongue shaped. This is cylindrical shaped. Very little slide. These are vacuous. You can see here. This is abnormal, and this is also not tongue shaped. Look, it is uniformly in same color. This is not tongue shaped. This slide is not. It is also abnormal. Okay. So these, if you find these kind of slides in your practical examination, you have to discard them. Okay. This is the normal slide. You have to make slide like this. These are abnormal slides. Now, or identification of various blood cells. How you will identify the red blood cells. The red cell RBCs are stained orange pink. You can see here orange pink. The red cell appear as numerous. बहुत सारे देखेंगे आपको, देखिए बहुत सारे हैं इसमें स्लाइड्स में, ठीक है। Evenly spread out, non-nucleated होंगे, biconcave disc shape of uniform size of 7.2 to 7.8 micrometer. Normally the central paleness, you can see central paleness is this. This is central paleness. You can see here. This is central paleness. This is okay. Central paleness occupies the middle third of the nucleus, but it is wider in anemias. In case of anemias, the cells are wider. Megaloblastic anemias like this. Leukocytes. Among leukocytes, you will identify many type of WBCs are commonly seen in blood film. Okay, they are larger than the blood cells, nucleated and evenly distributed here and there among the red cell. Okay, they include three type of granulocytes. देखो यहाँ पे है slide में. This is these are WBCs. This is WBC. This is WBC. They are larger than red blood cells, nucleated and evenly distributed throughout the red cells. They include three types of granulocyte: neutrophil, eosinophil, and basophil, and two types of agranulocytes: monocytes and lymphocytes. Okay. There are fewer and poorly stained WBCs in the head and the extreme tail, and some of these may be distorted. You can find abnormal WBCs there. There appear to be more monocytes in the tail end, probably dragged there by the spreader because of their large size. In case of monocytes, you will find them over the tail end. ठीक है? Tail end पे आपको monocytes ज़्यादा मिलेंगे because they are dragged over there by the spreader. Population wise देखेंगे अगर आप, neutrophils are the most numerous leukocytes, then come the lymphocytes and monocytes. The population of neutrophil is more than lymphocytes and monocytes. Okay. Now these are the cells and their properties, diameters. Granulocyte, we have neutrophils, which accounts for 40 to 70%, eosinophil 1 to 6%, and basophil 0 to 1%. And this is their diameter. The diameter of neutrophil is 10 to 14 micrometer, eosinophil 10 to 15, and basophil 10 to 15 micrometer. The nucleus is blue-violet, 2 to 6 lobe. Here the nucleus of eosinophil is also blue-violet, 2 to 3 lobes. Okay, often bilobe होता है. Basophils में blue-violet irregular shaped nucleus may be S-shaped. You can see there. The cytoplasm is blue in color in case of neutrophils. In case of eosinophil, it is light pink. You can see light pink. In case of neutrophils, you can see it's blue in color. Cytoplasm slightly blue in color. Okay, cytoplasmic granules are there. You can see the granules. Violet pinkish granules are there. The cytoplasm of neutrophil. Okay. In case of eosinophil, the cytoplasm is light pink red with granules. Light pink cytoplasm with granules. Okay, this is eosinophil. In case of basophil, the cytoplasm is basophilic or bluish or with granules. Okay, very large size granules are there in case of basophils. Deep purple granules you will see there. Okay. In case of eosinophil, pink granules is there. In case of neutrophils, violet pink granules are there. Okay. Size is 10 to 15 basophils का, eosinophils 10 to 15 and neutrophils 10 to 14 or 15. कुछ बढ़ रहा है स्लाइड आई नहीं आता है these are the agranulocytes you will see in the preparation for the soil. क्या हो गया हो गया ना these are agranulocytes. In agranulocytes we have monocytes, small lymphocytes and large lymphocytes. You will be taught in the subsequent lectures. That is on
Upcoming.
that is on upcoming that is on
Saturday.
Saturday. ठीक है identification of cell. You will be taught.
You people have to focus. No, मतलब this is the descriptions. That is the how the nucleus is there, how the cytoplasm is there. But you people focus upon the cell which is over there. Okay.
हो गया ये आगे फिर बता देंगे हाँ हाँ हेलो हेलो ऑडिबल आवाज आ रही है आवाज आ रही है ना आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ सेल आपको बताया जाएगा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में सैटरडे ओके हो गई ठीक थैंक यू